Good day, ladies and gentlemen. You have completed the stream and now it is time to do the classwork. Today is a logo update and a magic playlist. When you visit this playlist, it is my website and it's got the lessons we have been doing, lessons 1 through 6. And then if you're struggling, it's got the logo step-by-step where it tells you how to make the house or the garage super fast, which we have to have done. And then there's also the project starters with a huge playlist of cool things like the spaceship and all the stuff like that. You need to, as quick as you can, get your logo launched, load your file from the previous week. Remember to hit Edit All so you can see your code and get working on that CS house. And then at the end of the hour, you need to use DuckLink to get me a screen capture of your cool project and turn it in. That has to be done today. Let's get cracking and see how incredible this can turn out.